Good morning, student. Today we have solved the examples of queuing theory. First example, we can see the first question read. At barber shop, the customer arrive at the average interval of 6 minutes. Customer arrival time means that is 6 minutes. That means lambda is equal to 6 minutes. And the barber takes on average 5 minutes for saving the person. That means departure time mu is equal to 5 minutes. Calculate first counter utilization factor, that means rho. It is also known as traffic intensity factor. Second, average number of customer in the including a service system, that means LS, length of system. Average number of customer in queue, LQ. Then average number of affected average waiting time in the queue, WS. Average waiting time of the customer in the system, WSQ, WQ. That means then probability that the barber is idle, that is P is equal to 0. Barber is idle means there is no customer in row. Probability of find out the barber is busy, जब barber busy होता है तो. Then chances that customer is required to wait more than 30 minutes in the system, 30 minutes in 1.5 hours, 1/2. Probability of finding the probability of finding the more than 3 customer in the system, that means higher than 3 customers. First we have find out the traffic intensity factor. Before find out traffic intensity factor, that means utilization factor, we have find out the lambda and mu per customer in hours. 6 minutes एवरेज टाइम है, ठीक है. तो 1 घंटे में कितने कस्टमर वो अटेंड कर सकता है. दैट मीन्स 1 घंटे मीन्स 60 मिनट. तो 60 डिवाइड बाई 6, यू कैन हियर सी 60 डिवाइड बाई 6, दैट इज 10 कस्टमर पर आवर वो अटेंड कर सकता है. और कितने आते हैं, तो हियर वी कैन सी डिपार्चर टाइम म्यू इज इक्वल टू 5 मिनट्स is equal to 60 divided by 5, that means 12 customer per hours. Then find out lambda s, रो भी मिल गया, म्यू भी मिल गया. तो फाइंड आउट फर्स्ट ऑफ ट्रैफिक इंटेंसिटी फैक्टर, रो लैम्बडा अपॉन म्यू फाइंड करना है. तो 10/12 इज इक्वल टू 5/6. देन वी हैव फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ सिस्टम is equal to lambda upon mu minus lambda is equal to 5 customers. Then length of queue, lambda square divided by mu minus mu into blanket mu minus lambda, that is equal to 4 customers. Waiting time in the systems, WS 1 upon mu minus lambda is equal to 30 minutes. Waiting time in the queue, WQ is equal to rho into 1 upon mu minus lambda is equal to 25 minutes. Then barber is idle probability, so P0 1 minus rho is equal to 1 minus 0.833 1.167, and probability of barber is busy, so 1 minus idle time 1 minus 0.167, that is equal to 0.833. Then we have find out the chances the customer is required more than 30 minutes. So T is equal to 1 half. Here T is equal to 1 half, that is equal to 0.5. So is equal to 0.735. And last, more than 3 customer, Pi greater than 3 is equal to rho power of I plus 1, that is 3 plus 1. 0.333 power of 4, that is equal to answer our 0.482. Here basic examples of barber shop. Then next example we have show the here another example. A bus depot, buses arrive at the time interval of the 48 minutes and departure time on the 36 minutes. After cleaning and inspection work, calculate effected system length, that means LS. and then second, probability that the Q size exceeds 6. That means probability of size more than 6. First we have find out the lambda in mu. 48 मिनट्स, तो 1 मिनट में कितनी बसेस होगी? 1/48 बसेस बाई मिनट्स, एंड डिपार्चर टाइम 1/36 बसेस बाई मिनट्स. We have find out the traffic intensity factor. Rho is equal to lambda upon mu is equal to 3/4 is equal to 0.75. Then find out first value, length of system, expected system of length. Rho divided by 1 minus rho is equal to 3. And then second, probability of Q size exceed more than 6. That is rho power of I plus 1. That means I is equal to 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 0.75 power of 7. So we have get the 0.1334 final answer. Thank you.